Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie Smith here. I am so excited to be back on the channel. Guys, we have some new products just launched for fall and I'm here to share. Okay, you guys know I love coming on here to share with you all, and it is so much fun because Mary Kay, gives us new products every season, right? We get a new product, spring, summer, fall, winter, you name it, and then holiday, right? So this is the season, y'all, and it's so exciting. So exciting. So welcome to all our new subscribers. I see we have a lot of new people in here. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you have a lot of guys in here or not, but I feel like they're mostly women. But welcome, queens. Thank you all for supporting the channel. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button, and thank you for sharing. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. Your girl went to seminar. Okay, seminar was awesome. Seminar was amazing. Seminar was very inspiring as always. The company threw a fabulous seminar for us, to celebrate, our achievements. Plus, this year is Mary Kay's 60th anniversary. Yes, Mary Kay is going to be 60 years this year. It's in September, actually. And they continue to give us amazing, innovative products, right, that we absolutely love and we can share with our customers. I'm going to try and upload a bit of the seminar vlog. To be honest, I didn't get too much content. I was very focused this year and really, just being in the moment and stuff. But your girl achieved the Queen's Court of National Sales, and it was fabulous. Let me tell you, it's always a great time to be at seminar and to be receiving some kind of recognition or the other. I got to pick another diamond ring up this year, and this one is different from the one for the year because I wanted something different. And my baby girl Jordy chose this particular one. So yes, but I will post a video about some experiences from seminar. We got to take home the new skincare product, the new Time Wise skincare, and of course I don't know if that video is going to be up before this one. So if it's up already, then I'll link it so you can go check it out to see what I've been using on my skin. But let's get into it, guys. My base is already done. By the way, I do have a Facebook page. If you want to see how I did this base that you see right here, then head on over to my Facebook page and please hit the like and the follow button, turn on the notifications and share. Okay, I actually went on live to do my base over there, the page with the sisters. All right, so we're going to be playing today with some amazing new products, and I'm going to be showing you, queens, all the new products right there on your screen. So take a look. All right, you guys, so those are the new products. I'm so excited. So Mary Kay revamped our eyeliners and our lip liners, and they gave us some new as well. And they are all waterproof. What colors are you loving? That blue, honey. She, I think, is a star of the show. Okay, so these are the new lip liners that we have, and you've seen them up close. And then we have the new eyeliners. So y'all go check it out and go get yours, okay? Reach out to your beauty consultant, and if that's me, then send me a message. You know how to reach me, okay? So we also have this beautiful, which you guys saw on the screen, new and improved oil-free eye makeup remover. And OMG, okay? This is liquid gold, you guys. It is. Listen, when I heard that Mary Kay was bringing out a new and improved makeup remover, I thought, really? How are they gonna make it better? But listen, they did. It's the new and improved version you didn't know you needed, honey, but you need it, okay? Super silky. The formula is fabulous. It glides on beautifully. It takes off makeup easily. There is no tugging or pulling. I would tell you that even when you take it off and you feel the skin on your eyes, it's so smooth, okay? It doesn't feel like there's a residue on your skin. All right, that I did notice. I mean, it doesn't burn, doesn't sting. I love the new packaging. I love that the labels is kind of printed in white. Thank you, Mary Kay, for doing what you did here behind the makeup remover. So now I can just look at it and I can read it with ease. So that's something to note. I think they should improve on as well on the packaging to be able to read, in the back of the boxes, what colors it is. It's a bit hard. It really is. So get you a bottle. Get your hands on a bottle of this beauty. Absolutely love it. And I love the packaging so much. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me just say, it's something I noticed about this new formula that is waterproof. It is super creamy as well. Even though it's waterproof, it's not like dry, which I love. So those are the colors, all right? They're beautiful. Do you see that payoff? Very beautiful, right? We're gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna first start with my base. And I'm going back to my fabulous palettes, which you guys can see. This is the Warm Hues palette, which was a fabulous launch last fall. Super obsessed with it. I think it's one of my favorite palettes. And yes, I know I say that all the time, but really, yeah, honey, take my money anytime, Mary Kay. I'm gonna start with the matte. And this matte color is what I have on my cheeks. Okay. I put a bit of concealer on my eyes. All right. We're going to start with the black. By the way, the pencils do have sharpeners in the caps. If you are not super good with eyeliners, this may be a bit much for you. I'm still using the black. I'm just going to, you know, finish my line right here. You can take the Marykay Eye Smudger brush and you can smudge that line. All right, so it may not be perfect, like mine isn't perfect right now, but you can also go back with your brush and you can smudge it. All right, so again, we want to give every color a try because y'all know how I like to do, right? So let's grab Steely. Steely is a color I also use. So let's start Steely on the inner corner. Okay, y'all see Steely? So one thing I do want to say, is that do not be afraid to use these colors as eyeshadow. Yes, you can. Because they're so nice and creamy. So nice and creamy. So I'm gonna get the fabulous blue liner. We're gonna tight line the eyes. But yes, I'm loving the liners. I'm loving the liner. Let's see if we can play with the brown a little bit. That's done, but I'm gonna put a pop of color in the inner tear duct. Golden possibilities. Just put some light right here. Okay, boom. Okay, so I did swatch all 9 of them. Obviously, some of these colors would be better suited for, you know, the lighter skin tones, like beige and ivory, but I'm going to try it, at least the ones I think can show up a little on me, and then we can see what it looks like. All right, so this is Rose. Okay, look at that. That's literally a lip color. Gloss it up if you want to or not, and you're good to go. And that is Rose. Do we love? Do we love? Let me know in the comments. Next is Berry. Are we loving Berry or what? Yes, Berry is giving. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so this is Hot Pink. Do we love? What do we think? So this is Auburn. Do we love? What do we think? That's quite a nice nude situation there, huh? Okay. So this is the Mauve Nude. Do we love? Do we love for my mauvey girls, for my girls who like the nude? Here you go. Okay, so this is me trying the pink nude. So that's a little light for me. But, of course, you can customize it with the auburn nude. Okay, when you customize it, it's fine. And there you go. A little nude situation. Yes, you can customize these lip liners together to get, you know, whatever color you want. This is beige nude. She's cute. Definitely a better nude for my complexion. So again, just going with the auburn. Okay, so that's the auburn nude with the beige nude. Okay, that's just what I got on right now. Do we love the combo? All right, and this is the truffle nude. Some serious chocolate. This reminds me of the dark chocolate in the previous, well, not what now is the classic lime. And that can get as deeper and darker as you want. But I'm gonna leave her just like this. And again, you can customize, put a lighter one in here, put a gloss over it, and boom, you're good. So last but not the least is the red. Y'all see the glide. Y'all see the pigment. All right, guys, so this is a red lip liner. I absolutely love it. I have tried it before, so no, this is not my first time. I wore it underneath my liquid matte lipstick. Love it. It's beautiful. It's vibrant. It's very nice. It's very nice. What are my thoughts on these products? Love them all. They are nice and waterproof. You can see the eyeliners. Okay, and these are the lip liners. Let's use our trusty brand new oil for makeup remover so you can kind of see it in action. Okay, so you just put it on. Okay, and my tip is, you know, let it sit on the products, you know, on your eyes or wherever you're taking off for a few seconds. All right, and then you can wipe that. You see? Look, okay. Get you a bottle of the oil-free eye makeup remover because you need it. Okay, so I absolutely love it. Now for the products, for the lip products, they are nice and creamy. And same for the eyeliners. They go on nice and creamy. And I do notice that they do dry down. They set. So yes, that's what I noticed about them. What they are supposed to do because again, they are waterproof. So I hope you ladies enjoyed this tutorial today. I hope you learned how to use it. Again, makeup is fun. There is no set rule. There is no cut and dry. Play with them, experiment with them. Use them in eye colors, use them in chroma fusion colors, mix and match, you play, okay? Mix the lip liners together to get you a customized look. And of course, play with the lip glosses that we have as well. So you can put a lip liner on, go over with any gloss of your choice, customize it, right? Or go over with a lippy and a gloss, okay? So that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so loving this product. And again, if you don't have a beauty consultant, send me a message or you can go and find one in your area. Okay, that's by going to marykay.com. But if you have a beauty consultant, then please reach out to her, support her small business, get you some, waterproof eyeliners, waterproof lippies, get you your amazing oil for makeup remover. You absolutely need it. And of course, don't forget your skincare. Okay, makeup is fabulous and all. But the reason the foundation and the concealer and the powders all look good is because the skin is good. Okay, all right everyone, thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share, guys. Please share. And like I said, if you'd love to see how I did my base for this look, it's on my Facebook page. Okay, and I'll leave a link of that somewhere too in the description so you can go and support and like and follow as well. Have a blessed day and I'll catch you in the next one.